Hello, hello. Today we are finally finishing Survivor. And I got a name for my poop. Jerry. Just Jerry. I saw it in the comment section and now he's called Jerry. You are Jerry. How does it feel like to be Jerry? And now I kind of know where should I need to go. Imagine this is 20 minutes of me trying to not be lost. Oh god. I hope I'm not foreshadowing. Eh. But I think I'm going where I should be. Oh, eat. No, poop. Eat. By the way, do not ignore that. Yeah, I know it should be a lot lower because, oh well, that's how it works. But I installed my mod and I was playing on another day, and whatever, we are not going to shelter a lot. So yeah, we are going to use jigs though. We are not going to shelter all because I saw them up, and we are like I was so freaking close the other day. No, where are you going, Pop? Oh god, that's why. Oh jeez. Oh jeez, no, please do not eat me. Do not eat me, Pop. Don't do it, please. Just run, Pop. Do not jump. I know you are kind of dying in the water. Oh jeez. Run! Run! Don't let them get you. Oh jeez, I cannot move. Ooh, they are eating. Okay. Please. Bye food. Do not touch me. Ah! They are really freaking heavy. Help! Help! Go in. Okay, Pop, come. Okay, I killed them. Okay, okay, now. Now here we have it. Go up, Pop. Perfect. Holy! No, that's not fair. Grab the rock. Grab the rock. Grab the freaking rock. Good. Pop, do something. No, look. I want this video to be short. Don't touch me. Thank you. I will. No. That's what I'm still saying to you. Freaking no. Let's see if you can freaking swim. Haha. Ugh, warm grass. And more leeches. Where the hell are they coming from? Holy, they're so... Well, I do not have food. Thanks. Okay. Don't touch me. Okay, now. Oh, I feel it. I do not have any leeches. I'm going freaking fast. So fast. I am the fastest. I am fast. Okay. To my knowledge, we are really close. No, more leeches. No, my freaking Pop. You do not touch my Pop. Journey says, here we go, finally. Oh my god. Stop touching my child. Don't touch the child. Come here. There we go. And don't touch me. Jeez. Okay, eat. I don't know why. Just eat. There we go. Wait, that's a big centipede. That can kill me. Not good. I cannot shelter because of mods. Oh well, that's that seems like a me problem. I guess so. You can eat. See? Now he's carnivorous. Why? Mods. How the... Wanna go up? How am I supposed to? Who cares? This is really pretty. Like, look at this, man. Look at this. So pretty. Pebble superstructure. Really cute. Amazing. Just so freaking amazing. The clouds. A cool song. Poop. This is amazing. Not going to jump off. No. Okay, there we go. Okay. There are still the freaking leeches there. How cringe. Freaking leeches. I swear to God. Okay, down here. Let's go, but we are so close. Oh my god. So close. Oh my god. Eat. Fast. Perfect. I'm not touching that. Reasons you all already should know. Come on, we are so close. I think these are the last rooms. I think. We are so close, oh my god. All this journey, Pop. We have visited a living freaking... Oh, we are here. Yes. We have visited a freaking toaster. Nuclear toaster. Uranium meter. And we have finally made it out the expanse to our new home. GG, Pop. GG. GG, Pop. Amazing. I'm going to shut up and let y'all watch this. Jerry, you're so nice. By the way, why is Jerry white? GG's. GG's. If someone in the comments wants me to play another campaign A modest luck at, I don't know. Just tell me. I would love to. GG's. GG's. This is our final score. I will shut up again and let you just watch it. And that's it. I thought I've killed a lot more things. But well, it was fun. GG's. Oh, how cute. Outer expanse. Oh well. Any other thing you want me to play, I will perfectly do it. Whatever you want, all for the content. As I said, this was a really short video, but oh well. I hope you enjoy the last few moments you will see Jerry and Survivor. See ya!